In the previous video, we saw how to solve a fractional equation by multiplying by the least common denominator. This converts the fractions that we have so that we no longer have any fractions. So let's just do a couple more examples. This fractional equation, we have 5 over x minus 1 plus 1/2 is equal to 3. So in this particular case, we see that the LCD is going to be 2 times x minus 1. So let's multiply now by that LCD. Remember, the reason that we do that is so that the fractions will simplify. We don't have any more fractions. So multiplying 2 times x minus 1 times 5 over x minus 1. Remember, when we multiply a fraction by a whole number, it just goes to the numerator, not to the denominator. And then plus 2 times x minus 1 over 2 is equal to 3 times 2 times x minus 1. Remember, we must multiply on both sides of the equation, not just on the left side. So now, how does this help? Well, because these fractions are now going to simplify, don't they? The x minus 1 goes away here, the 2 goes away here, and that leaves us here with 10. It leaves us with x minus 1 here. And on the right-hand side, we have 6 times x minus 1. Let's see, on the left we have 10 minus 1 is 9, so we have 9 plus x. And on the right side we have 6x minus 6. So let's subtract x and add 6. That will give us 15. And that will leave us with 5x on the right-hand side. And so then x clearly is equal to 3. And the solution is given in some detail here in the notes. Okay, one more example. Now we have three over x minus 1 plus 1 over x plus 2 is equal to 13 over x minus 1 times x plus 2. Clearly, the least common denominator this time is the product x minus 1 times x plus 2. So multiplying each of these fractions by the LCD, we get 3 times x minus 1 times x plus 2 over x minus 1 plus x minus 1 times x plus 2 over x plus 2 is equal to 13 times x minus 1 times x plus 2. Remember, in multiplying fractions by a whole number, it only goes to the numerator, not to the denominator. Okay, so those denominators are unchanged from the first original equation. And now, why does this help? Well, because now the fractions are going to go away, don't they? Here the x minus 1 goes away, here the x plus 2 goes away, and here both the x minus 1 and the x plus 2 go away, leaving us with a much simpler equation. 3 times x plus 2 plus x minus 1 is equal to 13. Okay, so that gives us 3x plus 6 plus x minus 1 is equal to 13. So combining the like terms, we get 4x plus 5 is equal to 13. Subtracting 5, and we have 4x is equal to 8, so therefore x is equal to 2. And again, the solution is sketched out here in the notes.